Hello everyone, welcome to Tungala online classes. Let's continue straight lines, right? In straight lines, next concept, general equation of the line or general equation of the straight line, right? General equation of the straight line or general equation. The equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is called general equation of the straight line. Any linear equation in two variable represents a straight line, right? Any general equation in two variables. Any linear equation in two variable represents a straight line. This is known as general equation of the straight line. The equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is called general equation of the straight line. In general equation of the straight line, what is its slope? Slope of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What is its slope? We can find slope of general equation of the straight line, right? What is slope? Slope is equal to, slope of this line is minus a divided by b. Slope of this line is minus a divided by b, that's equal to minus a means coefficient of x, negative sign as it is, divided by coefficient of y. Slope of the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is minus a by b. How minus a by b it is? Just convert this equation in the form of y equal to mx plus c. How its slope is minus a by b, right? I will show you how slope of this line is minus a by b. Plus c equal to 0 is there. Just write this line or this equation in the form of y equal to mx plus c. Then ay, keep ay as it is, send remaining two terms into RHS. Then it will be minus ax minus c. Then dividing with a, that's why y is equal to minus a divided by, it is by, right? It's also by. Minus a by b into x minus c divided by b, right? Now comparing with y equal to mx plus c, right? Comparing with y equal to mx plus c, what is m? M is slope. In place of m we have minus a by b, means slope of this line is minus a by b, and what is y intercept? Minus c by b. Its slope is minus a by b, because if you convert this line, this equation in the form of y equal to mx plus c, then you get m as minus a by b. Or just remember this formula. Slope of the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is minus a divided by b. Because of this reason, if you convert given equation of the straight line into slope intercept form, then clearly slope is minus a by b. Similarly, slope is equal to minus a by b, then what is x intercept? X intercept is equal to minus c divided by a, and y intercept is equal to minus c by b, right? Slope is equal to minus a by b, x intercept is equal to minus c by a, y intercept is equal to minus c by b. How x intercept is minus c by a and how y intercept is minus c by b? I show you. X plus ax plus by plus c equal to 0 plus c equal to 0. Just write this line in the form of x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Convert this line in intercept form. For that what we do? Ax plus by is equal to minus c. After that, equation of the line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. 1 means clearly RHS expression should be 1. So after that, dividing with minus c, then it will be ax divided by minus c plus by divided by minus c, that's equal to 1. After that, take this a into denominator, then it will be x divided by minus c divided by a plus y divided by minus c divided by b equal to 1. Now it is like x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So x intercept minus c by a, y intercept minus c by b, right? Hence slope of this line is minus a by b, x intercept of this line is minus c by a and y intercept of this line is minus c by b. Remember this formula. Proof is not necessary, right? Convert this line in the form of x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Then you get x intercept as well as y intercept, right? Slope of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is minus a by b minus c by a minus c by b. Now in x intercept is nothing but negative sign remains as it is. What is c? C is constant term divided by what is a? That is coefficient of x. And similarly y intercept is equal to minus c by b, minus as it is, that is constant term divided by coefficient of y, right? This is about general equation of the straight line. General equation of the equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is called general equation of the straight line, right? And slope of general equation of the straight line is minus a by b and x intercept is minus c by a, y intercept is minus c by b, right? This is very important concept. Next, equation of a line is question problems. Equation of a line is 3x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. Full point. Find its first one slope. Second question x intercept. And third question y intercept. Right? Clearly equation of the straight line they have given. We need to find slope, x intercept, y intercept, right? Comparing with standard equation of the straight line or general equation of the straight line, Tell me what is small a value. Clearly it is like ax plus by plus c equal to 0, right? It is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Hence small a value is equal to in place of a we have 3. Then what is small b value? Coefficient of y is small b, that is -4, and constant term is c. What is c value in this case? In place of c we have 10. After getting small a, b, c values, write its slope, y intercept, x intercept, or x intercept and y intercepts, right? Slope is equal to, what is formula? Slope of this line is minus a divided by b, right? That's equal to negative sign as it is. In this case, what is a value? That is 3. Then what is b value? -4. That's equal to 3 divided by 4. Slope of this line is 3 divided by 4, because already we have standard formula. Slope of the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is minus a divided by b. Minus a by b. Slope of the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then x intercept. X intercept formula. X intercept of the line is, x intercept is equal to minus c divided by a, right? C is nothing but constant term. In this case, what is constant term? 10 negative sign as it is, c value 10 divided by what is a value? 3. That's equal to minus 10 divided by 3 is our x intercept. Then tell me what is y intercept? Y intercept is equal to minus c divided by b. That's equal to minus 10 divided by what is b value? -4. B value -4. That's equal to plus 10 by 3. X intercept of this line is 10 divided, sorry, y intercept of this line is 10 by 3, x intercept minus 10 by 3, right? Next question, equation of a line is, next problem, equation of a line is, equation of a line is 2x plus 7y is equal to 5. Equation of the line is 2x plus 7y is equal to 5. Full point. Find its first question slope, second question x intercept, third question find its y intercept. Slope, second question x intercept, and third question y intercept. Then comparing with standard equation of the straight line or general equation of the straight line, tell me what is a value, b value and c value. First write this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. 2x plus 7y minus 5 equal to 0. It should be in the standard form. What is standard form of the straight line? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Before writing small a, small b and small c values, given equation should be in standard form, right? This is in standard form. Clearly it is like ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Just take 5 into LHS, then it becomes standard form. Now it is like ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So what is a value? Coefficient of x is a, right? Then what is b value? 7. Then what is constant term in this case? That is minus 5, right? After that, what is first question? We need to find slope. Slope means small m value. Small m is equal to minus a by b. It is the formula. Formula for finding slope of the straight line. That is minus 2 divided by b value 7. That's equal to minus 2 divided by 7, or minus of 2 divided by 7 is its slope. Then tell me, what is x-intercept of this line? X-intercept formula minus c divided by a, that's equal to minus 2. Sorry, in this case negative sign as it is, replace c value minus 5 divided by a value. What is a? That is 2. That's equal to plus 5 by 2. It is x-intercept of the line. Similarly, write y-intercept of the line. Y-intercept formula minus c divided by b, that's equal to negative sign as it is, replace c value. In this case c is minus 5 divided by b value. What is b? b is 7, right? That's equal to 5 by 7. Slope x-intercept, y-intercept, right? Next, equation of a line is sorry, 2x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Equation of a line is 2x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Find its slope, x-intercept and y-intercept, right? In this case, clearly given equation is in the standard form. Standard form means it should be in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, right? Now, equation of a line is 2x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Already given equation is in the standard form. Given equation is in the standard form means just write small a value, small b value and small c value, right? What are the small a, b, c values? A value 2, b value 3 and what is c value? Minus 12, right? After writing small a, b, c values, write slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. Same formula only. That's equal to minus a by b is slope of the line ax plus by plus c. Negative sign as it is. What is a value? 2 divided by b value 3. That's equal to minus 2 divided by 3 slope of this line, right? Then x-intercept is equal to minus c by a. Negative sign as it is, c value minus 12 divided by what is a value? 2. That's equal to 6, right? Why? Because plus 12 divided by 2 is 6. After that, y-intercept of the line minus c divided by c value minus 12 divided by b value 3. That's equal to 4. X-intercept is 6, y-intercept is 4 and slope is minus 2 by 3, right? Next, equation of a line is x divided by 2 plus y divided by 3 is equal to 1. Equation of a line is x divided by 2 plus y divided by 3 is equal to 1. Find its slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. First write this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c, right? X divided by 2 plus y divided by 3 minus 1 equal to 0. Clearly it is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, right? Then tell me what is a value. In this case 1 divided by 2, coefficient of x is a. Then what is b value? 1 divided by 3. And what is c value? Minus 1. First question, slope. Slope is equal to minus a divided by b, that's equal to minus what is a value? 1 divided by 2 divided by what is b value? 1 divided by 3, that's equal to denominator of denominator becomes in the numerator, it will be minus 3 divided by 2. It is one of the important 1 mark question. For 1 mark they just ask either x-intercept or y-intercept or slope. Probably they ask slope of this line is, right, minus 3 by. Then what is x-intercept? X-intercept is equal to, you can use formula or directly write. In this case x-intercept 2, y-intercept 3, because given line is in intercept form. Or else by using formula also you get same answer, right? Minus c divided by a, right, that's equal to, in this case c value minus 1 divided by a value 1 divided by 2, denominator of denominator becomes in the numerator. If you write directly answer is 2, or else by using formula also 2, right? Then y-intercept is equal to, y-intercept is equal to minus c by a, not c by a, minus c by b, that's equal to minus of minus 1 divided by 1 by 3, that's equal to plus 3. Or else you can directly write x-intercept and y-intercepts, right? Next, take some homework problems. Question is, take homework in that first one. Find the, if equation of a line is, x minus 2y equal to 4, find its slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. Second question, root 3x plus y is equal to 10. Find its slope, x-intercept, y-intercept. Third question, x minus root 3 into y is equal to root 2. Fourth question, root 2x minus root 3y plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Find its slope, x-intercept and y-intercept, right? X-intercept, y-intercept and its slope. In all the cases, find slope, x-intercept, y-intercept and y-intercepts, right? Next, reduce the equation root 3x plus y minus 8 equal to 0 into slope intercept form. Reduce the equation root 3x plus y minus 8 equal to 0 into slope intercept form, or convert the given equation into slope intercept form. Slope intercept form is y equal to mx plus c, right? Slope intercept form is convert given equation in the form of y equal to mx plus c. right? Convert this equation in the form of y equal to mx plus c. Convert given equation in the form of y equal to mx plus c means slope intercept form. Means we need to convert given equation in the form of y equal to mx plus c. Keep y as it is and remaining term send it to RHS. Minus root 3 x plus 8. Clearly it is in the form of y equal to mx plus a. Clearly it is in the form of slope intercept form, which is slope intercept form, which is slope intercept form of the given line. Next, reduce the equation of the line 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0 into slope intercept form. Reduce this equation into slope intercept form, means in the form of y equal to mx plus c. For that what we do? Keep y term remains as it is, minus 3y as it is, remaining 2 terms send it to RHS, right? Then it becomes minus 2x minus 6. After that it should be in the form of y equal to mx plus c, means clearly coefficient of y should be equal to 1. Now make the coefficient of y as 1, so just dividing minus 3, or send this minus 3 into RHS. Minus 2 divided by minus 3 into x, minus 6 divided by minus 3. After that y is equal to 2 divided by 3 into x plus 2. This is slope intercept form of the line 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. Reduce the equation of the line into slope intercept form, right? Next, reduce the equation next problem. Reduce the equation x minus root 3y minus 4 equal to 0 into slope intercept form and find its slope and y intercept. First reduce this equation into slope intercept form, then find slope and y intercept, right? It should be in the form of y equal to mx plus c, means keep y term remains as it is, minus root 3 into y, remaining these 2 terms send it to RHS, then it will be minus x plus 4. After that we need y equal to, means remaining term send it to RHS, just dividing with minus root 3, then it will be minus x divided by minus root 3 plus 4 divided by minus root 3, that's equal to y is equal to x divided by root 3 minus 4 divided by root 3. This is our slope intercept form, right? Slope intercept form, then find its slope. First convert given line into slope intercept form, then write its slope and y intercept. Just comparing with y equal to mx plus c. What is m value? M means slope. Coefficient of x is m. Y equal to mx plus c. 1 divided by root 3. Then what is c value? C means minus 4 divided by root 3. This is slope intercept form of the given line, right? Next, reduce the equation 5x plus 7y plus 9 is equal to 0 into slope intercept form. 5x plus 7y plus 9 equal to 0 into slope intercept form. Find m and c. Find m and c means m means slope, c means y intercept, right? First convert this line into slope intercept form, means in the form of y equal to mx plus c, right? Write the given equation of the straight line in the form of y equal to mx plus c. Keep y term as it is. That's equal to minus 5x minus 9, right? After that y is equal to, just dividing with 7, minus 5x divided by 7 minus 9 divided by 7. After that I will write minus pi by 7 into x plus minus 9 divided by 7. Now it is like y equal to mx plus c. Mx plus c. Therefore, what is m value? M is equal to minus pi by 7 and c is equal to minus 9 divided by 7. This is slope and y intercept. Next, reduce the equation of the line. Reduce the equation of the line y equal to 0 into slope intercept form. Reduce the equation of the line into slope intercept form, and equation of the line is y equal to 0 they have given. Write this equation in the form of y equal to mx plus c. So I will rewrite it. Y is equal to 0 into x, right, plus 0. Both are one and the same, but second equation is in slope intercept form. Clearly it is like y equal to mx plus c. Then what is m value? 0. What is c value? 0. Both both intercept and slopes are 0, right? Y equal to 0. Next, reduce the equation 2x minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0 into intercept form, not slope intercept, right? It is intercept form. Reduce the equation of the line 2x minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0 into intercept form. Intercept form means it should be in the form of x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Write this equation in the form of x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Intercept form of the equation of the line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1, right? Now 2x minus 3y is equal to 11. 2x minus 3y is equal to 11. First, while converting given equation of the line into intercept form, first constant term send it to RHS. In the first step, constant term send it to RHS. After that, dividing each term by RHS expression, or after that make RHS expression as 1. Why? Because in standard equation x by a plus y by b equal to 1 means RHS expression is 1. So after that, dividing with, make RHS term as plus 1. So dividing 11, then it will be 2x divided by 11 minus 3y divided by 11 is equal to 11 divided by 11. After that, 2x divided by 11 plus minus 3 into y divided by 11 is equal to 1. But in x by a plus y by b, coefficient of x and coefficient of y should be 1, means take this 2 into denominator, then x divided by 11 divided by 2 plus y divided by 11 divided by minus 3, that's equal to 1. This is intercept form of the given line, right? intercept form of the given line. Next question. Reduce the equation 4x minus 3y equal to 6 into intercept form. Reduce the equation 4x minus 3y is equal to 6 into intercept form. While converting intercept form, what we do? Means it should be in the form of x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Reduce this equation in the form of x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Means just dividing with RHS term. Means make RHS expression as 1. In this case already constant term is in RHS only. Right. After that 4x divided by 6 minus 3y divided by 6, that's equal to 6 by 6. Then 4x divided by 6 plus minus 3y divided by 6 is equal to 1. After that take this 4 into denominator. X divided by 6 divided by 4 plus y divided by 6 divided by minus 3, that's equal to 1. If it is simplified, then you can simplify, right? Then x divided by, it will be 3 divided by 2 only, 6 by 4, 3 by 2, plus y divided by 6 divided by minus 3 means minus 2, that's equal to 1, which is intercept form of the given equation. Intercept form, not slope intercept. Slope intercept means write it in the form of y equal to mx plus c. Intercept form means x by a plus y by b equal to 1, right? Next, reduce the equation. Reduce the equation 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Reduce the equation 3y plus 2 equal to 0 into intercept form. Reduce this equation into intercept form. For that what we do? 3y is equal to, first constant term send it to RHS. In this case x term they not given, means take it as 0 into x. If x term is not there or a y term is not there, then just take its coefficient as 0, right? In this case x term is not there. X term not there means its coefficient is 0. Just take 0 into x, right? After that make RHS expression 1. Make RHS term 1 just by dividing with minus 2. Then it will be 0 into x divided by minus 2 plus 3y divided by minus 2, that's equal to minus 2 divided by minus 2. Then 0 into x divided by minus 2 plus 3y divided by minus 2, that's equal to plus 1. Now x divided by minus 2 divided by 0 plus take this 3 into denominator, then it will be minus 2 divided by 3, that's equal to 1. This is intercept form of the given equation, right? Sir, minus 2 by 0 is infinity. Yes, in this case x intercept is not defined. Minus 2 by 0 means in this case x intercept is not defined, means our required line not intersect x axis. What is meaning of minus 2 by 0? Infinity means x intercept is not defined. X intercept not defined means our required line not intersect x axis, right? Next, reduce the equation Reduce the equation 6x plus 5y, 6x plus 5y minus 3 equal to 0 into intercept form. Reduce this equation into intercept form. Intercept form means x by a plus y by b equal to 1. For that what we do? Constant term send it to RHS. 6x plus 5y is equal to 3. Right? After that RHS term make it 1 by dividing RHS term, then 6x divided by 3 plus 5y divided by 3, that's equal to 3 divided by 3. After that x divided by 3 divided by 6, take the 6 into, make the coefficient of x and coefficient of y as 1, plus y divided by 3 divided by 5, that's equal to 1, right? Then x divided by 1 by 2, 3 divided by 6, that is 1 by 2, plus y divided by 3 divided by 5, that's equal to 1, which is intercept form of the given line, right? Take some homework problems. Reduce the equation, reduce the following equations into slope intercept form. Reduce the following equations into slope intercept form. First one, 3x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Reduce this equation into slope intercept form. Slope intercept form means in the form of y equal to mx plus. Second problem, x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Two x minus 7y plus 8 equal to 0. Fourth one, x minus 8y plus 23 equal to 0. Convert these equations in the form of y equal to mx plus c. Convert or reduce the equation into slope intercept form. And second, next, reduce the following equations into intercept form. X plus y is equal to 1. Second one, 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Third one, 3x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. And fourth one, x minus root 3y plus 8 equal to 0. Reduce these equations into intercept form and these equations into slope intercept form. Thank you.